Hello, I'm Rhonda with the Howard Happenings, and I am going to share with you a few steals that I got today. So I know many of you thinking, gosh, do you go to the grocery store every day? No, but when we have meltdowns with the toddlers, we have to, change course. And today I went out by myself, so it gave me a chance just to get some me time and go out and get a few things that we weren't able to go out and get as a family. So I want to share with you. I was able to snag this ice cream. I've never had it before, but I was tempted to get it because it was a good deal. It's called Night Food, Night Ice Cream. It's 200 calories. I know I've shown another ice cream before, but I was impressed with this one because it's 70 calories for half a cup. And as you probably know, there was a coupon machine where you could pull the coupon. So that was $1 off. And on my app, it was $1.50 off. And on the app Ibotta, there was an additional $1.50 off. So this is going to be mommy and daddy's dessert later on tonight. I'll take a picture and share with you what this one looks like, and we'll also tell you if it's good or not. Another steal, you've probably seen some of these in our desserts before. This was a buy one, get one free item, and because I had been purchasing it, I had a Catalina for this one. So this is the glazed pecans that I'm going to have with that high protein ice cream. That was a deal that I was able to snag. The pearl olives. If you notice, we do a lot of chicken Greek salads, and we use these olives. These olives were on sale, and then Ibotta has an additional 50% off. So that's definitely a good buy with that one. And this morning we had what we would call brunch because we had breakfast probably like 11. And if anyone knows, we get up very early because the boys get up 6 o'clock each morning. So we have very early breakfasts, but Saturday and Sundays is the time for me not to have to cook as much, and mommy and daddy got to sleep in. So we had a late breakfast or brunch, and we made our version of a low calorie, higher protein French toast. And this is the syrup that we would use because it's the light syrup, and 2 tablespoons is 50 calories. This Hungry Jack, the normal syrup, the one with butter, or the original, is 110 calories for 2 tablespoons. So that was a few of the deals that I have. But right now, I am going to have at what we are going to call a late lunch, which means dinner's going to be even later. And I'm going to, these are one of the steals Bruce ended up finding on his Ibotta app, these cheese wraps. So we tried to have minimal carbs, and these cheese wraps serve the purpose of like a bread wrap, but they're cheese, and cheese is high in protein. And it tells you here, this cheese wrap is Crystal Farms. I've been looking for it. It was $1 off on the Ibotta app, and it's 7 grams of protein. So I am going to actually make Bruce and I wraps, but we're going to use the cheese wrap instead of bread or any tortilla. So I just pulled one of them off, and this is what it looks like. And they have 2 different, we actually purchased two different flavors. This one is Marble Jack, and this one is 8 grams, as I've shared. And then there's a second one we did purchase, is the mozzarella, and it actually has 8 grams of protein, whereas this one has 7 grams of protein. So, going to pull apart our cheese wrap. So that serves as our bread. Put those down, and then I was able to get, I know I've talked about this one before. This is the Bright Farm Spring Mix. I have a lot of friends doing a smoothie cleanse right now. So you can get spinach, you can get the greens where you can make your smoothies with. This spring mix was $1 off as well. So this took it down to $1.99. So I'm going to lay down some greens because it's always great to have some greens in each of your meals. So during breakfast time, we have greens of spinach at times with our eggs. And here's lunch. We're having some greens in our wrap. And we always have some type of green vegetable or a type of vegetable with dinner. So just put some of our greens down, and then gotta have some tomato. I'm gonna slice up a tomato really quickly here to add to it. And I would actually use 1 tomato and then divide it between both Bruce and I. So if you are actually watching, we're hoping that you have visited our YouTube channel, The Howard Happenings, and hopefully you've already subscribed by now. We've put up a few videos earlier today, thanks to my supportive husband, Bruce. So we have the tomatoes down on a slice. I have them all sliced, very pretty. And now you're probably thinking, all you're gonna eat is cheese, tomato, and lettuce? Of course not. We need some more protein. So we're going to have some roast beef. So 2 ounces of roast beef is 80 calories. And we got the boar's head roast beef. And then Bruce has also asked for some hard salami. So about 4 slices of that is a serving. So I will take a picture of what I have made. Let me see if I can show it to you all, because it looks pretty right here. It's going to be quite delicious. Show you, this is our cheese wrap, and then you can just wrap it. The good thing about the cheese wrap, it actually shows you how to wrap it on the back. So we hope you are enjoying the Howard Happenings, giving you tips for saving money, eating healthy, and who knows, maybe later you'll see the whole family doing our power walk inside today. Alrighty, make sure you hit the subscribe button.